How to plan healthy meals, 10 simple points. Meal planning is a key component of healthy eating, helping you make intentional choices about the foods you consume and ensuring that your diet is balanced and nutritious. In this segment, we'll explore 10 simple points to help you master the art of meal planning for optimal nutrition and well being. 1. Set goals. Start by establishing clear goals for your meal planning efforts. Whether you're aiming to lose weight, improve your energy levels, or simply eat more nutritious meals, having specific objectives will guide your planning process and keep you motivated. 2. Assess your needs. Consider factors such as your dietary preferences, nutritional requirements, and lifestyle constraints when planning your meals. Take into account any dietary restrictions or food allergies that may influence your food choices. 3. Create a weekly menu. Develop a weekly menu that includes a variety of nutrient dense foods from all food groups. Aim for a balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, along with plenty of fruits and vegetables. Planning your meals in advance saves time and reduces the likelihood of resorting to unhealthy convenience options. 4. Shop smart. Make a grocery list based on your weekly menu and stick to it when shopping. Focus on purchasing fresh, whole foods and minimize the number of processed and packaged items you buy. Shopping with a list helps prevent impulse purchases and ensures that you have everything you need for healthy meals throughout the week. 5. Prep ingredients. Set aside time each week to prep ingredients ahead of time. Wash and chop fruits and vegetables, cook grains and proteins, and portion out snacks to make meal preparation during the week more manageable. Having prepped ingredients on hand saves time and makes it easier to throw together nutritious meals on busy days. 6. Batch cooking. Consider batch cooking larger quantities of staple foods, such as grains, beans, and proteins to use in multiple meals throughout the week. Cooked grains and proteins can be incorporated into salads, stir fries, soups, and grain bowls for quick and easy meals. 7. Include a variety of foods. Experiment with different recipes and ingredients to keep your meals interesting and enjoyable. Incorporate a variety of colors, flavors, and textures into your meals to ensure that you're getting a wide range of nutrients. 8. Portion control. Pay attention to portion sizes to avoid overeating, and ensure that you're consuming the appropriate amount of calories for your needs. Use measuring cups, spoons, or a food scale to portion out foods, especially high-calorie items such as nuts, seeds, and oils. 9. Plan for snacks. Don't forget to plan for snacks throughout the day to keep your energy levels stable and prevent excessive hunger. Choose nutrient-dense snacks such as fresh fruit, Greek yogurt, nuts, or whole grain crackers with hummus to satisfy cravings and keep you feeling satisfied between meals. 10. Stay flexible. While meal planning is beneficial for staying on track with healthy eating, it's essential to remain flexible and adaptable. Life happens, and there may be times when your plans change or unexpected events occur. Embrace imperfection and find creative solutions to keep your nutrition goals on track, even in challenging circumstances. In conclusion, mastering the art of meal planning is a valuable skill that can help you maintain a healthy diet and achieve your nutritional goals. By setting clear objectives, assessing your needs, creating a weekly menu, shopping smart, prepping ingredients, batch cooking, including a variety of foods, practicing portion control, planning for snacks, and staying flexible, you can streamline the meal planning process and make healthy eating a sustainable part of your lifestyle. Start implementing these simple points into your meal planning routine today and reap the benefits of nutritious and delicious meals all week long.